Greetings, Brittany Sunshyne here. Wow, I just love how the Spirit is so consistent when there's a specific message that is needing to be conveyed, because this is a different deck than a reading I used for yesterday. I'm sorry, I'm still waking up. My brain is getting in motion, but anyway, I'm still able to channel. In fact, I'm probably almost a better channel when my brain is out of the way. So, the question that I was posing to the Spirit was, what is the message for the collective for the next month or so? So whenever you're receiving this is for you for the next month. And it's so interesting because these cards all came out. I've shuffled the deck, and yet they're kind of in sequential order, with the exception of 46. We have 47, 45, 44, 43. 47, 45, 44, and 43. And it actually caused me to go looking for what is number 46. And what's funny is I couldn't find it in the deck. So then I just went to the book to see what card it was. And number 46 is regeneration, meaning rebirth, second chances, new opportunities. And what I was hearing was, this is not that, which is why that card is not in here. You don't need any second chances. This is not about rebirth. This is about you. This message is for those who have already gone through the rebirth process. You are already out of the cocoon. You are already fully in the dragonfly or butterfly mode. It is time now to go the distance in that identity that you are living in the new book. If you've also seen another video message that I released recently, it was called not just the ending of a chapter, but the ending of an entire book. And it was kind of likened to graduating from high school, that kind of like huge rite of passage, total life season shift, where now stepping into something in a totally different way. And that's for those who have been called to this channel. You are on this journey of divine identity, and it is time now for you to go the full distance. I'm noticing here on the first card that came out, which is this cheetah running its race. And are we not here running our race of purpose? And I'm noticing there are stars in this image and a beautiful sky. And the stars are even like on the desert ground. And this is a finish line moment. So yeah, so in conjunction and so in alignment with this announcement that you are fully in stride now in this next level of yourself, or you are about to be. And if you need help with getting in stride, welcome to my channel. This is my life's work. And there are so many amazing ideas that the Spirit has brought me through illumination of manifestation principles, law of assumption, law of vibration, knowledge of quantum physics, understanding the observer effect, understanding Neville Goddard's thinking feelingly, understanding Habakkuk 2:2, write the vision and make it plain so that those who read it may run it well, understanding Hebrews 11:1, that faith is the substance of things hoped for and it's the evidence of things unseen. The totality, and I'm getting spirit chills on this because the Spirit is like, you see my little emoji dancing through the glory and the fire. Like, that is how I'm feeling the Spirit right now. Like, Spirit is in full go mode, and I'm in full go mode. I have gone through a lifetime of preparation to get here now, through very expansive Earth School, very expansive Holy Spirit boot camp, very expansive, just going straight through it. There were no workarounds. There was no sidestepping of work here. I've done purging, energetic clearing, laying down my life repeatedly. Like, this is the fullness of the moment now. And I am so stoked because the Spirit keeps weaving together ideas of how to take these manifestation and universal principles in order to level up and to align with divine identity. So if this is resonating with you, make sure that you add yourself to my weekly workshops emailing list. Not only will you receive free weekly workshops where we dabble in the reality creation modalities and just make sure that everybody at least has a taste of it, but also those will be the people that will be learning about my new courses, workshops, and offerings. Okay, so I'm just really stoked to be here, and I'm really stoked to really actually have something to offer, if that makes sense. For a long time in my life, I was like, what are we doing here? I was learning. I knew I had huge purpose, and I just was learning. I was in learning mode for a long time. And now I'm at a place where I'm like, okay, I actually have something to bring to the collective, and it is full on go time, go the distance. We have endurance, strength, and the long haul. To bring your dream to life, you must think long term and pay no attention to the fluctuations in the current of your experience. Joy and disappointment commingle with opportunities, so there's no need to fear the occasional obstacle. Life is not a sprint. This card is a reminder that you have endurance, strength, and fortitude to carry you all the way. Remain true to yourself. Your authenticity alone will keep you in alignment with the energy of miracles. What is yours will never be withheld from you. Remember that. Okay? And I'll catch you in the next video as we go over number 45, Time to Go.